Hello guys, this is my John Deere lawnmower and just want to make a video showing you guys how to use a heat gun to restore old plastics. So I should have taken a video first and recorded the steering wheel before I did it. That was the worst part. You can see the foot panel there at the bottom. That's real white, but honestly the steering wheel was even worse. And I have an old BMW, all the black trim on it. It was also faded, and I've heard from people before and seen videos about using heat guns to make your trim and black plastics bring out the life in them again. But from a BMW, I don't really want to take the risk. So with that, I just used black Plastidip and then Glossifier, and that came out real well. I'll show some pictures of that in the video. But for this, just washed the lawnmower today, springtime. I also sprayed some clear coat, tire clear coat on the wheels. That comes out really good. I use this stuff, tire glaze, instead of like a tire shine that's greasy. This is actually dry to the touch, and it gives it a long-lasting shine. Usually lasts maybe 3 or 4 months. But yeah, so I actually didn't use the heat gun on this at all. That was already pretty black just from washing it. But this is the last thing I have left, so I'm going to show you guys how that comes out. But if you want to get kind of a before and after, the left is before, and I also did this bottom one. I also try to leave an update in the description, maybe make a follow-up video on how long this lasts, because that's really why I decided not to do it with the BMW. People said that the way this process works is a heat gun brings out the oils and the plastics, and so if you have to do it too many times, if you have to do it every 6 months, eventually it's just going to make your plastics crack and be completely dead. So, but just want to try it on the lawnmower, not too much risk. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is my heat gun. It was about 20 bucks from either Walmart or Harbor Freight, but just has 2 settings on it, 1 and 2. I'm just going to use 2, go quicker, and it's pretty easy. Alright, so that's it. Looks brand new again, all black. Came out real well. Like I said, the steering wheel, it was just as bad, if not worse. Pretty much got all the spots. I didn't really miss anything on there, so can't do a before and after on that. I was just curious. There's this rubber knob right here. It's a little bit faded. I tried it on that. No luck. It kind of started to try to melt it, so it doesn't work on rubber, but I think most black plastics seems to work good. And also, I'm going to take some Armor All protectant, spray that on this stuff. That can't hurt either. But yeah, so if you guys want to try that, it definitely works. I don't know how long it'll last, but I'll try to leave an update in the description. I've also decided to go ahead and do this. Why not? And I even did it on this wheel. So this is already done. I'm going to do the other side. I'll do it before and after for that. But right here, I just did this half, and I'll keep going along with you, showing you as I finish this. Yeah, so that come out good. See if it'll work on this back here. And now that's all black. Just a little spot right there. And unplug mic. I guess I could even do it on this little grill right here, but really honestly that's not even faded, so I'm gonna leave that alone. That wheel's pretty hard to get to. I don't know if you'll be able to tell if it's doing anything or not. I'll do that another time, but I'll show you this one again. And that's just crazy, that's incredible. And I was trying to touch it earlier, it doesn't stay hot long enough. It's barely even that hot. It doesn't take too much. That up there though, that is water. So I think I'll let that dry maybe before I do the top of that. But that's about all I have to show you. I think it's a easy, quick fix. Like I said, I think I'm going to cover everything in Armor All. Alright. I just Armor All'd everything. Seemed to give everything a nice good shine also. One last thing before I'm done. I'm just curious, I want to try it out on these orange plastics. They're a little bit faded. I have no idea if a heat gun will brighten those up or not, so I'm going to try that. Immediately, that doesn't look like it's going to work. That looks like it made it worse real fast, so I'm not going to keep doing that. But it's not that bad anyways. It's just a little faded, so maybe with that I'll actually throw some paint on there if I ever want to. But considering how old this mower is, I think I'm happy with how it looks.